Are you ready for winter driving? The first step starts with the exterior of your car. As the face of your vehicle, it's the first to bear the brunt of winter's harsh elements, making its preparation crucial. Start by applying a protective coating to your car's paintwork. This acts as a shield, protecting it from road salt and ice that can cause corrosion. Next up, windshield wipers. These often overlooked components are your eyes on the road when snow and sleet start to fall. Make sure they're in top-notch condition, and replace them if necessary. Lastly, the windshield washer fluid. It's important to use a kind specifically designed for winter that won't freeze and can help break down that icy film on your windshield. Taking these steps can go a long way toward preserving the look and functionality of your car throughout the winter. Remember, a well-protected exterior is your first line of defense against harsh winter weather. Moving on, let's focus on the heart of your car, the battery. This powerhouse is crucial for your vehicle's smooth operation, and its importance only multiplies in winter. Cold temperatures can significantly affect your battery's performance, often leading to a slower engine start or, in some cases, no start at all. To avoid winter woes, it's essential to perform a regular health check on your car battery. Look for signs of corrosion or damage, and if you spot any, it might be time for a replacement. Cleaning the connections is another key step to maintaining your battery. A simple mixture of baking soda and water can do wonders in removing corrosion, ensuring a clean and efficient power flow. Lastly, to maintain optimal performance in the cold, consider a battery blanket or a heated garage. These can help maintain the battery temperature, extending its life, and ensuring consistent performance. Remember, a healthy battery equals a reliable car, especially during the cold months. Next up, we're talking about your car's first line of defense on icy roads, your tires. They are your vehicle's only contact with the road, and their condition can greatly influence your safety. Tire pressure is crucial. As temperatures drop, so does tire pressure, which can lead to poor handling. Ensure your tires are inflated to the manufacturer's recommended PSI for optimal performance. Tread depth is another key factor. It enhances traction and helps prevent skidding on wet or icy roads. Use the penny test to check your tread depth. If you can see all of Lincoln's head, it's time for new tires. And let's not forget the significance of winter tires. They're designed with a special rubber compound and tread pattern to provide better traction in snow, ice, and cold temperatures. Investing in winter tires can significantly improve your vehicle's grip and handling, providing you with a safer, more controlled driving experience. Remember, the right tires can make all the difference between a smooth ride and a slippery one. Before we jump into our next tips, I want to remind you to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay in the loop for more professional insights like the ones we're discussing today. Hit the subscribe button for a continuous flow of valuable tips to keep your vehicle performing at its best. Now let's dive into keeping your engine in top shape during winter. Your engine is like the heart of your car. It's essential to keep it beating strong, especially in cold weather. Regular oil changes are paramount. Why, you ask? Well, oil thickens in cold weather, making it harder for your engine to start. So, using the right oil for your vehicle and changing it regularly ensures your engine runs smoothly, even on the coldest of days. Next, let's talk about antifreeze, the unsung hero of winter driving. It prevents your engine from freezing in low temperatures and boiling over in high ones. Keep the levels topped up, and your engine will thank you. Lastly, don't forget about the other fluids in your car. From transmission to brake fluid, these need to be at their optimal levels for safe and efficient winter driving. Proper engine maintenance is key to a smooth, trouble-free winter drive. Finally, let's talk about what you should have in your winter emergency kit. When it comes to navigating winter roads, preparation is key. So, what should be in this kit? Firstly, a well-stocked first aid kit is indispensable. This should include bandages, antiseptic wipes, scissors, tweezers, and a first aid guide. Next, consider essential tools like a flashlight, jumper cables, and a multi-tool. But let's not forget about warmth. Pack a couple of warm blankets to keep you cozy, should you need to wait for help. A set of gloves and a hat can also be lifesavers in chilly conditions. Lastly, include non-perishable food items and bottled water. These can sustain you if you're stranded for an extended period. Being prepared can make all the difference in unforeseen winter situations. Drive safe, stay warm, and remember, a well-prepared car is a confident car. Until next time, happy driving.